I woke up in Doha. We are in Doha right now, so we did Hong Kong, now Doha, and that is the plan. We're gonna visit as many places as we can, and this is just 1 month where we've launched Goa, we've launched Bangalore. I mean, it's been quite a ride.
Everything is going to be alright. Is this a sign?
Yes. So when I visit these cities, especially different countries, what am I doing when I say I'm here for trials, I'm going to take your trials, I'm going to show you niche hair? When essentially what happens, this is just for me to practice penetrating into different countries, different cities. This is how I started niche hair, by doing pop-ups. Flea market called Lil Flea. What we would do is we would put up our product and then make it very experiential. Now, talking about this 7 years ago when I started doing it for the first time, I think I was the only one who was putting up a chair, a mirror for you to sit and try the product in the middle of a flea. And that just as a concept worked so well for me that I was like, I'm gonna keep on doing this till I can. And then Bombay became as a market very saturated for me, and I also had my own stores. Dropped that idea completely कि अब बॉम्बे में नहीं कर सकती मैं. But जब मैंने दुबई में दोबारा pop-ups, I think 2020 में, in the peak COVID, I still decided to come again. I had come once in 2018 or 19. And then again I got a chance and I was like, abhi niche hair is doing well also online. Can I expand offline? Can I even give that much time? I again did it and it felt like starting all over again. Where आप products लेके बैठ जाते हो, लोग आते हैं, आप उन्हें कहते हो आप हमारे products try करोगे, at least देख लो if you don't want to buy. And I've always tried to target Indian audience wherever I go, whichever country I'm in, whichever city I'm in. नहीं तो जितने भी Indians हैं, क्या मैंने उन्हें introduce करा दिया niche hair से? Well, that's something I'm gonna find out today. So these pop-ups are mainly a practice of having you come and experience my product instead of just seeing it on Instagram. I at times do doubt because it's like entering new rooms and introducing myself and my brand all over again. This is the thrill and challenge I live for. And if you ask me if I would do this all over again 5-6 years down the line, 100% in a country that nobody knows me, I would not mind showing up again and telling them मैं क्या बना रही हूँ, कैसे बना रही हूँ, क्योंकि I really live by the words I say कि marketing के लिए कुछ भी करना पड़े, नाचना पड़े, नाचो, क्योंकि मैं चाहती हूँ, नहीं तो कैसे लोगों को बता पाऊँगी मैं क्या बना रही हूँ. For example, today I do have a great team, so it's me and Sidra from my team who has already done the setup. My brother has come, he lives in Dubai, he helps me with my Dubai store now. He went there to become a graphic designer and I've reeled him in to help me because I definitely feel if you have your family and they can help you, then nothing like it. He's been a great help and yeah, having a great team. It takes time, but when you find the right team, they help you so much without even realizing. I think I'm all set. It was my 2-minute makeup. This is how I get ready. Don't judge. Off to my trials where I'm gonna take you and show you मैं actually क्या करती हूँ. Can you open your hair? Thank you.
Good luck
Thank
with
you.
your
And you're the first customer. I hope you bring good luck to me. Thank you. Thank you. It means a lot that you came. Yes, ma'am.
For this hair top.
I will try. Have you written your name? Yes. Cool. I think she is next and then we'll take you. We'll try to be quicker. Really sorry. ये dark brown ही दे दो. Because if it's moving, it's clipped onto your hair. So it's going to make your roots weak. But once you wear it, just let it be. Don't move it. If you ask my expert suggestion, I would suggest this. Taking a selfie. Thank you. It's 9 p.m. We had trials till 9 p.m. People are still there. I just want to... I mean, I'm happy so many people showed up, but right now I just want for it to end. And it's not ending. Let me show you. सबके स्टॉल्स बंद हो चुके हैं और ये हमेशा निश हेयर पे होता है. आखिरी तक ना लोग रह ही जाते हैं. यहाँ लोग डेड हुए पड़े हैं, उधर पैकअप हो गया है, यहाँ लोग खड़े हैं.
खाता नहीं।
I got this on camera. वो आंटी बैठी हुई थी और अंकल ने पैच लगा रखा था.
खानी मैं नीचे खाना नहीं।
Good day.